Last night we were hit by a frightening storm at Casa Guatemala with lots of thunder and lightning. The boys' house and the kindergarten class were the worst hit. The boys had to be evacuated to the girls' house for the night, and the staff report seeing water spouts that caused the immense damage that ripped apart our roof and caused many trees to fall. This morning, we began repairing, cutting down the trees, removing the fallen branches. We had to cancel classes to make sure that the children were staying safe. It was traumatic for everyone. A scary event, but thankfully no one was injured. It could have been much worse. There are trees down and many roofs that need to be replaced, including here where our Senor Lily normally sleeps. Our office was soaking wet. We're not sure if our computer will be okay, but we're working to repair it and make sure that there's no water inside. Time will tell when we turn it back on. Our staff started right away to break down the trees and clear away the lines so that we could get power back running up. The class of Senor Yadira was the worst hit, as this is where many of the roof panels had been ripped apart. The water poured in last night, ruining most of the children's work and a lot of the materials that we have. It's very sad, as this is almost the end of the school year and they have worked so hard. But what can we do? Everything needs to be thrown away. Luckily, the toys are plastic, the desks are wood. These can be salvaged. And most importantly, no one was hurt. Yadira braved the storm last night, running in to cover the important papers she had, to not lose the evaluations for the children's work. But there was nothing she could do. The water was pouring through. She couldn't see that the roof had been ripped off, but this morning the evidence is clear. Some of the laminates we haven't even found. This was a strong tree. It's hard to believe that it was torn down by such a fierce gust of wind. This is why we think it must have been a small tornado or a water spout that came onto land.
Yes.
Cuéntame, ¿cómo fue tu noche?
Bien. ¿Cómo la noche? Fue muy mal.
Fui mal.
Sí.
Cuéntame.
Nos jaló toda la lámina.
Sí, ¿usted? ¿Y qué? ¿Le asustaron?
Sí, yo me asusté.
¿Sí?
No sé, me agarró un infarto.
No. Pero después te sentiste así un poco
raro.
Sí, ¿verdad?
Sí.
Pero fueron a dormir allá donde las niñas.
Sí.
Y así estaba mejor.
Sí.
La experiencia de anoche.
Bueno, creo que fue un instante donde se vino un poco de lluvia y igual un viento fuerte que venía remolineado, ¿no? Y la verdad que en la parte de arriba donde duermen varones pequeños hasta tiró una cama, la hizo levantada. Igual yo estaba moviendo unas colchonetas y cuando sentí me jaló también y boté el cel y se me quedó un poco apagado.
This is where our little boys sleep upstairs. You can see the roof goes out far to make sure the rain doesn't enter normally. But last night it sure did. Fui allá anoche.
Mal.
Ya, ¿cómo sintieron?
Frío.
Triste, mojado, se mojaron las camas.
Se botó una cama.
¿Y eso no te daba miedo un poquito? No. Additional trees fell down on our walkway that the children from Las Brisas take every day, causing damage to the structure, which will need to be replaced. We need your help now. You can make a donation using Zelle if you're in the US as the fastest way to get money to us. Or check out our link tree where you can donate from around the world. Just scan this link or go to our website for more information. Thank you to everyone for all of your support.